And we're back
in Orlando.
Little rainy Orlando.
Yes, it's a super rainy day. We just got here. We are staying at Gran Destino Tower.
What?
So we're going to take advantage of all the resort has to offer and just have a relaxing night.
I gotta know, when can we do this again?
We have a pretty awesome view. This is just the standard Gran Destino room. I actually read online you're better to do the standard view because you can see out to the theme parks versus if you do the like fountain views, if you're looking into the resort, which is also beautiful, but this is a pretty good view. We might be able to see a little bit of the fireworks in EPCOT tonight. So let's do a little room tour. We're super excited to stay here. We've never stayed at Gran Destino. When we were here last February, so a year ago, we came here and enjoyed dinner in Toledo on the top floor, and it was just like so majestic.
Yeah.
So we saw the forecast was gonna be super, super rainy. We were supposed to be staying at All-Star Resorts, and we said, you know what, let's just see if anything else is available. They actually had Gran Destino available on the AP pass holder discount. So we just switched it over and we're very excited to stay here. So let's go see the room. All right, so they're very spacious. Like when you walk in, there's like a ton of room over here. So if you have strollers or what is it called? I wanted to say ATVs. They're not ATVs, ECVs. If you have an ECV or a stroller or something, plenty of room to store that over here. But it's got like the big sliding doors here. These are really beautiful rooms for a moderate resort. It's just really, really nice. I love all the like little mosaic touches, big, beautiful mirror. Love that it's got the dual sink. Look at the shower. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you got a separate water closet, which is nice. So if you're sharing with family, makes it easier to get ready in the morning. We have a nice big closet here. So we've got plenty of storage to hang all the things in there. I always love that they have the like little benches that you can put bags and backpacks and purses on. Huge counter, so tons of room here. We're gonna be doing some work while we're here for sure. But we got the Keurig, got all of our snacks and stuff up on the shelves. Some more drawer storage over here. They got the updated fridge in here with the clear glass front. I already got it stocked. And then we have 2 beds. Wally's already made himself comfortable over there. I think he's claimed that bed. Nice drawers in the middle, little seating area over here, and even just like the detailing on the wall. It's just so pretty here. I just love this resort so much. And then beautiful view right out to the front. So I think we're gonna be very happy here for 2 nights. We're resort hopping. As always, if you know us, we're always resort hopping. So we're here for 2 nights, and then we switch over to Animal Kingdom for 1 night, and then we switch over to Old Key West for the rest of the trip. So this will be a super fun way to start off our trip, and less than a week, I'm gonna be doing the Princess 10K, so I'm so excited. That's what we're down here for this week, but we were able to come down a little bit early and have the week to kind of acclimate, and hopefully this weather's gonna move out and we're gonna get to enjoy the very last day of Festival of the Arts. But for now, let's go get something to eat because it's 5 o'clock, but it feels like 3 o'clock.
And we didn't get lunch.
We didn't get lunch. We had breakfast at the airport, so we're hungry. So I think we're gonna try and go up to the Dahlia lounge up top and do just some like tapas and drinks. I don't know, we'll see. See what we're in the mood for. Let's go explore.
So opposite of Toledo is the Dahlia lounge. I'm gonna go get some drinks and some tapas. And on a non-windy, rainy night, you could probably have a lovely time out there. We know this. We had a beverage out on the patio the last time we were here. Not tonight. It's a little rainy.
All right, cheers. Rainy nights in Disney are perfect for fancy lounge cocktails.
Yes.
So I got the Tea Sucio, and it is gin mare, Tio Pepe Fino Sherry, and Valdion blue cheese stuffed olives.
Look at
and you know
those.
it's those blue cheese stuffed olives that
Look
sold
at
me on
those.
this drink.
You only got
But
two.
It's a delicious cocktail, and you can kind of taste a little bit of like rosemary coming through in there. It's just very herbal, but also very clean. So this is a perfect way to start our trip.
I got the Vino Daiquiri. It is Das Moderas 5+5 PX rum, a Francesca Bin 27 port, creme de cacao liqueur, so it's like a chocolate, and a little bit of lime. It tastes like a chocolate-covered strawberry. Not too strawberry, but it's definitely a different taste though, but I do like it.
All right, we're doing a couple tapas. Wally's giving it a try. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's got some spinach in there.
It's different. It's Spanish.
Yeah. This is the tortilla española, which is spinach, white beans, and an olive relish. And this one is completely gluten-free, so very excited to try this one. And we also have a Spanish charcuterie board coming here soon. All right, I'm gonna give this a try. I took all of Mark's olives.
Yeah, you did. I don't want any of that
He
olive.
doesn't want any. So let's try this. Well, that's really good.
Yeah?
Ah, that's amazing. Look how beautiful that is. Like all the layers. Is that like potato in there?
It's like, it's potato, yeah.
It's like potatoes are rotten, but like with spinach and cream. And like the seasoning on that is so good. It's kind of got a little kick. It's really good. Yeah,
How's the extra olive paste?
good.
Irene just had one of the olives. She didn't even let us know. She just went for it.
So good.
It's, what is it? Cheese stuffed or?
Blue cheese. That was an experience. It's very delightful. All right, our charcuterie board has arrived. I'm already eyeballing this beauty over here. Look at that. Blue cheese with the fig jam. Oh. Got some Marcona olives. These are Marcona almonds, Mark.
Okay, right there.
One time I told Mark to go to the store and get Marcona almonds.
That's not what I got.
He looked everywhere and came home with macaroon almonds.
They were really good.
Which were very good. But got some more olives, some apricots, some delicious meats. Looks like we got like some prosciutto, some soppressata. Delicious. I always forget what this one's called. It's like something with a C.
Yeah. Capicola?
Maybe? Yeah. And then I'm guessing this is like probably like, this looks like a sheep's cheese, like a manchego maybe.
Yeah.
And we've got some gluten-free bread. It looks delicious. Before we left on this trip, we were digging through some old boxes in the basement.
Ancient.
And I'm not ancient.
Yeah.
And we found
1992.
Shush. We found this Disney's 20 Questions game from when I was a kid, and so we are playing some Disney 20 Questions, and Wally, what happened,
Just beat
Wally?
Daddy.
You just schooled Daddy, didn't
Yeah.
ya?
It's because Mommy sang Cruella's song to him.
No.
Yeah.
You would have won anyway, right? No matter what. All right, let's see if
Unbelievable.
Mommy can beat you this time, okay? You don't think so? Mommy's pretty good at this. Wally, are you gonna beat me?
Yes.
He's got 4 cards.
And he needs another
2
Goopy.
goofies. I only have 2 cards.
And next up is a
You have to
Goopy.
have 3 of the same character, and it's a
And
Goofy
next
card?
up is a Goopy.
Oh.
But it's a tough one, so I'm
All
going to
right,
leave it.
let's see.
Here we
What
go.
is it?
Walter, I am a place.
I am a place.
I am growing fast.
Growing fast?
You're not going to get it. Let's go to Mom. I'm the main reason you're holding this card.
Walt Disney World?
Nope. Good guess, though. I use Walt's name. I sometimes have a wall of stuffed animals.
This doesn't even exist
These cards were built in 1992, honey.
It's a Disney store.
Okay, I got another Goofy card.
Okay.
So you have to get it. A place.
Okay, this is a place.
Okay. My creator was born in Chicago.
Well, it's not Walt Disneyland, but Disneyland, you got it! You won! Good job, buddy! Okay, Wally was looking for all the hidden Mickeys while we were walking back to our room, and he said, I wonder if we have one in our room. We walked in, and look at that.
We literally have a Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. That is so cool. I think that may be the coolest hidden Mickey I've ever seen. I realized there's more hidden Mickeys on the wall. Look at that. That is so awesome. I can't believe how many hidden Mickeys are in this room. I just love this about Disney. I know, like, a hotel room's a hotel room, but a hotel room at Disney just has that extra touch, and I love it so much. All right, I am walking over to meet the boys at the pool because Wally was insistent. He wanted to do the water slide, even though it is cold and rainy. And it is cold and rainy. I forgot my umbrella though. That was a mistake. But I do have all of our coats. Ooh. All right, let's go see what the boys are up to.
Well, it's a cold, rainy night. Wally wanted to do the pool. And meanwhile, while Wally is enjoying the pool in 57-degree weather, I got a poolside Mai Tai. It's a Mayan tie. It's quite wonderful. Cheers. I've got my jacket on. I probably need my winter jacket here soon. It's cold and rainy.
All right, Wally is all changed from the pool. Daddy is hanging out in Three Bridges. He got us a to-go order, and he's enjoying a delicious cocktail at the bar. Wally and I are gonna walk over to the main building, and I think go do like the gift shop, see if we can do some pin trading. That's the hope. And then we're just gonna enjoy some dinner up in our room and hopefully maybe be able to see fireworks in EPCOT. There's fireworks going off behind us, and I don't know what they are. Magic Kingdom? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, I don't think it was the Wonderful World of Animation because I think that's over here. So I'm not entirely positive, but we're gonna try and make it back to the room so we can watch EPCOT at 9 o'clock. So let's go see what's going on in the main building. Make our way back to the warmth of our room.
I've ordered to go. You can't do the white cheese queso or the churros via the app. So you have to come here, get a drink, chill out, order your food to go.
All right, what'd you find, Wally?
The bus.
You found the 2024 bus and the semi. We're debating the semi, but we're definitely gonna get the bus.
We have to.
I know, it's so hard. You want both, huh? But the semi is expensive. It's $30.
Maybe
But they have lots of fun stuff. Let's go see, Wally, if they have that pin we were looking for.
maybe we should wait until it's not 2024.
Maybe. Oh yeah, and then maybe it would be on sale.
Maybe
It's
it'll
a
be
good.
cheaper.
It's a good thought.
Oh yeah, if they can't sell it, it will go to the
Outlet, yeah. Okay, let's go see what else they have. I need some churro ears. Actually, I just need some churros.
penny.
All right, Wally, you gonna throw in a penny? Make a wish. All right, he got this Star Wars pin, and it says Chandrilla Starline. It's pretty fancy. I don't know. We thought it looked pretty cool, so we traded for it. That's a good trade, huh, buddy? We'll see what Daddy thinks. All right, now I think we're going to walk through here. This should connect, yeah, it connects all the way over to Gran Destino Tower. So we don't even have to go back out in the rain. So we're gonna just walk right through here.
Okay, so I arrived back at the room and I got the 3 bridges, but again, we did takeout because it was cold. It's like 57 degrees, or I don't know, it's probably like 50 degrees right now, but had to go over and order in person, like I said, to get the gluten-free stuff. So Wally got a kid's chicken quesadilla.
Yummy.
And what caused it was getting the gluten-free white queso, white cheese queso. Yep. There's Wally's quesadilla. And of course, I had to get the steak frites. Irene and I were gonna split that. And then for dessert, also the reason we had to get gluten-free churros. And look at all the dipping sauce.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
And so we are going to dine a la room,
And
which is actually
fireworks start in like 5 minutes.
no, we're at 9 minutes.
Okay.
So we got to get prepped for it. Turn the lights off.
Yay.
Let's watch. What is it? Illuminations?
No. No, not
Harmonious?
What the heck is it?
Colors of EPCOT?
Luminous.
What is this?
Cortados
And a rain talisman.
and a Ray Tailspin. So we're heading out to the park, so stay tuned for some Festival of the Arts fun and hopefully some sunshine. But we had a super awesome rainy day here at Coronado. Gran Destino is beautiful. I think Coronado may be one of our favorite resorts, definitely our favorite moderate, if not one of our favorite resorts on Disney property.
Yeah, so much here.
It's pretty great. So, all right, well, wish us luck in the rain. Thank you guys so much for watching.
This is the wonderful world of Walter. This is new 24 bus.
And we love you guys just the way you are.
Bye.